Okay, now we're licensed. You got you're ready to roll. Let's talk about your role in business. What do you like out of real estate? You're licensed. We rehab houses. What do you like?
It all ties in together. You know, I think being able to provide value to different clients, that is huge for me. So I do our marketing for How Properties. That is my bucket is acquisitions and bringing in deals. So, but not only are we looking to buy, we can help clients in so many different aspects that I think that is, that's what makes it fun. You know, there's not just one avenue that we provide, and we're able to adapt to many different clients that we can provide a solution, whether it is listing the house for top dollar, whether it is buying for cash, whether it is working with our auction company, Nick. There's many different options on what we can do, and I think that's what makes it fun for, you know, what we're doing.